Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, let us quickly peruse. Given that a geometry progression has the terms 3, 9, 27, 81, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Woo la la! Alright, looking at the problem, we know that our first term is 3 and our second term is 9. Our third term is 27 and our fourth term is 81. So let us take note. Our first term is 3. Our second term is equal to 9, and our third term is equal to 27, and our fourth term is equal to 81. Alright, we know that the sum of the first n term, the formula that we use is S subscript n equal to A subscript 1, which is the first term, into 1 minus r, which is our common ratio raised to the power of n, all over 1 minus r. Now in this case, we have to look for our common ratio. We know that our common ratio is the second term divided by the first term, or you say the third term divided by the second term. And if we do that division, 9 divided by 3 will give us 3, meaning our common ratio r is equal to 3. Alright, so now since we are looking for the sum of the first 10 terms, we now say that x subscript 10 equal to our first term is a, okay, into 1 minus our common ratio is 3, n is 10 raised to the power of 10, all over 1 minus 3. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is let us divide this page. Alright, now 3 raised to the power of 10 is 59,049. So having noted that, let us now write 3 into 1 minus 59,049, all over 1 minus 3. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is 1 minus 59,049 will give us minus 59,049. So 3 will now multiply minus 59,048. Alright, all over minus 2. Alright, now 3 multiplying minus 59,048 will now give us negative 177,144, all over minus 2. So when we do this division, it simply means that the sum of the first 10 terms will give us 88,572. Meanwhile, somebody might be wondering, why is it that you're having a positive sign as our final answer? Is because negative divide negative will give us positive. Alright, thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye bye.